Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pankaj English Center. Today I will talk about conversation of English. How you can conversation English at your home with your family, or if your family don't know how to speak English, that how you can manage to speak English yourself, how you can know that your English is good or not good, whatever you are saying, it is correct or not correct. You will have to decide all things, and you can decide all things only when you will try to understand that you will notice yourself that whatever you speak, this will be beneficial for you. You should not worry about your conversation. You just try to speak English in front mirror you many times. Listen this thing that if you want to improve your English, you just go to mirror and you just start speaking anything whatever you want to speak. Many people who don't know how to speak English, but they are trying to speak English, and slowly all are improving their English. So you also do this thing if you try to do that. Many students asked me that how is it possible for you that you can speak English yourself. Just you try to make conversation yourself. You just try to speak English yourself. There will be no one who will speak English with you, because many people don't know how to speak English. But you want to speak English, it means that you will have to take any topics in which topics you have much confidence to speak English anything. You just take any topics and you make different types of sentences that you will notice after some time you will learn how to speak English yourself. Many people will also guide you that if you are trying, that it is not possible that you can do this thing, but you should not worry about that you will not do this thing. You should not think yourself. You will have to think that I can do this thing, and definitely you will do this thing. And after some time you start speaking English fluently with anyone. But your journey will be not such easy that you can do this thing. Your journey will be complicated, but you'll have to success to do that. So this is the matter I want to say, that if I am standing here and I am speaking English, this is not that I knew this thing in one day. I have to also effort properly to speak English. That's why I am speaking English this time. So this is the matter I want to say, that I have some information which is I want to give you, that you can also do this thing if you try, and if your mind is saying and you have completed your written classes of spoken English, but your mouth is not opening whatever you want to say. That time your mind is totally blank and you don't know that in which topic you will start speaking. You don't know anything. So this video will be beneficial for you, and after listening English, you just try to speak something, and whenever you go you just think in English. Whatever you saw, you just talking about that, and slowly you will think that you can speak English. First time you just start speaking in small sentences. Go there, come here, listen to me. Why are you jumping in the river? Such types of sentence. Any one sentences you can make randomly. Sentences making style will you will have to also learn, and you will do everything. If the time which you notice yourself that now you can make any sentence quickly, that time you will think that now you can speak English. And you just first time you'll have to also translate. In initial time you will not know that how to speak English, that whatever in your mind comes you just try to translate, and after that you will know how to speak English without translation. So this is the matter I want to say, that if you start your journey, you should not worry about your journey. that how is it possible for me that I can do this thing. So you just listen, and reading, speaking, everything, four things you'll have to do every day if you want to improve your English. So that's why I want to say you something, that it will be possible for you, and you just take any other topics and you start your speak. If you ask this question from your mind, that how is it possible for me that I can speak English myself. So first of all, you should think that you should not worry about this matter, that you cannot do this work. You can do everything whatever you want to do. So this is the matter I want to say, that you should not forget about your thought, that what is the thought in your mind, and you are able to fulfill your thought or not. This is depend on your thought. So this is the matter I want to say, that if you don't know how to make sentences in your mind, just you try to make sentences, and slowly you will know how to make sentences. So every day I want to say you something, that if you don't know, that you just take any random topic, which topic you have already read some days before. You just think that, if you don't mind, that I want to say about had, have, will have, had to, everything, whatever you want to say. You just take such topic and you just start speaking English, and you will find that after some time you will know how to speak English fluently. It takes time. If you don't mind that, you just think that you will have to pay time. If you want to speak that, this is not easy task that you will learn how to speak English within days. You'll have to pay time. 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. How much day you need to pay? It depends on you. That you just not only listen English, not only you think English, but also you will have to speak English. Only then it will be possible for you will speak English after some time. Otherwise you only listen English, you read English, you write English, but you don't try to speak English. This will never be possible for you, that you can speak English anytime. So this type of information, you just think yourself that what is your hobby, and you have mind that you want to do this. You just take any topic and you just start speaking on that topic. If you don't mind, that you just take had, have to, will have to, needed, and imperative sentence. Just take any topic, and demonstrative pronoun, all topics you just read, and any topic you take, and you just start talking on that topic, and many sentences you just make in your mind every day. That will be possible for you, that you will speak